This is how you install our Crab Crawl Super Sticker Set. Place the stickers in the sequence and pattern you desire, in this case starting with the movement words. Lay out the footprints and then place them in the pattern, spacing, girth, and sequence you desire. Then place the handprints in desired location, adjusting the stickers as needed. Once you are happy with the layout and pattern, secure each piece in place using painter's tape. Lift, peel, and lower sticker into position. If your sticker has a white mask paper rub, use the hand tool, working from the center towards the edges. Remove tape and peel off any mask paper by gently pulling across the surface, not directly up. Then, using the soft edge of the hand tool, apply strong pressure and rub the entire sticker. If there is no mask paper, lift, peel, and lower sticker into position. Use the soft edge of your application tool to adhere stickers, applying pressure and rubbing sticker from the center towards the edges. Speed application up by placing all of the footprints first, then rubbing them in place. Job well done. Please read and follow all written instructions provided and contact us if you have any questions.